Hello everybody, I'm Krisha, your host and host of the day. Today we are going to make this Indian snack which is known as Batata Vada. Batata Vada is a vada made out of smashed potatoes. This dish varies from place to place and person to person. Its name also varies. Like different parts of India, it's got different names. Today we are going to make the Krisha's version of Batata Vada. The ingredients for our Batata Vada are 1 kg of potato boiled and mashed, 250 grams of besan, that is chana dal, a paste of 8 green chilies, 2 inch of ginger and 1 medium sized lasan, that is garlic, handful of coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 6 to 7 curry leaves, that is optional, salt to taste, oil for tadka and deep frying, water as per requirement. Moving on to the preparation part of it, here we have got 1 kg of boiled and mashed potatoes. To this, first we add this paste of 8 green chilies, a medium size of lasan and 2 inch of ginger. We add this paste to it. We add a handful of coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and salt to taste. We mix this well, keep it aside, then we move on to the second part of our preparation. For the preparation now, we add a bit of oil. This is for the tadka, and to it we add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Once our mustard gets cracked, we add curry leaves. Curry leaves are optional. If you want, you can add it. This is for the tadka part of it. It's done. The mustards are all crackled. To this now we add our mixture, like with the boiled potatoes, and we had added the paste, the coriander leaves, turmeric and salt. We add that. Stir it for 2 seconds or about 2 minutes, and then we remove it. We make small balls of this, dip it in our besan batter which we are going to make, and then deep fry it. Now for preparing the batter, we got 250 grams of besan, that is chana dal. To this we add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste, and now we add water as per required to make it into a fine paste. We mix it little by little, accordingly seeing the consistency of our batter. As you can see, our batter is ready and our masala is ready with the tadka. We move on to the main part of it. That is, now we have to make small balls of it. We have to pack the masala, dip it in the batter, and then we deep fry it. For that, I got this plastic sheet which we keep it on hand so that the masala does not stick to your hand or anything. We make small balls of it. Take a bit of the masala, put it on the paper. Just give it a desired shape. You can give any shape, like you can make it into ovals or any shape. The general batata vada shape we are making now, the normal one which like you find it everywhere. Keep this aside. Now our vada is ready. Our batter is ready. We have kept our oil for heating. This is the oil for our deep fry. We take our vada. We dip it in the batter. Then we put it in the oil. We deep fry our banana vada. Once it's a bit golden brown, we remove it, we serve it and we taste it. Our banana vada is ready to eat. It's hot, it's crispy and it's my time to taste it. Tasty, super delicious. It's crispy from outside, soft from inside. Yummy. It gives you the real flavor of that Indian snack, the banana vada. Only my version. Taste it, make it, try it. Awesome. For the tip of our day, generally when we have coffee, tea or something, after a lot of usage of it, they end up getting stains. The teacups or the mugs or whatever, they get up stains. In case you want to remove those stains, add a bit of salt and water and let it remain for some time and then clean it. The stains will disappear. This is our tip of the day for our viewers. For more tips, log on to aussiedeshi.com. Till then, bye bye.